This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Peninsula Home Care.
Taking care of someone with medical needs can be rewarding for people who work in healthcare, but once a patient leaves the hospital, they may still need more attention. That is where Peninsula Home Care comes in.
The PHC team meets their patients in the comfort of the patient's home, and of course a job like that requires a special set of skills, which is why they make sure that their staff never stops learning. Delmarva Life's Sydney Whitfield visited their office to learn just how they go about doing that.
I'm going to take your blood pressure right now, okay?
Peninsula Home Care is an agency that provides skilled nursing throughout the community. Valerie Wooten, clinical manager at Peninsula, says she loves home care nursing because she gets to help patients and see them improve.
I've been doing home care for 5 years, and it's been my favorite nursing by far. The patients are very appreciative, and it makes you feel good knowing that you're making a difference for that person and their family.
Valerie was one of the managers present at Peninsula Home Care's annual Skills Fair, an event designed for their team to brush up on their health care expertise.
Well, we do a skills fair every year for our employees, so that way they can stay up to date on the newest technology, what's being done in healthcare. Patients are going home with all kinds of new things nowadays. When they are discharged from the hospital, they go home with chest tubes still in place or IV antibiotics, and so there's a lot of new technology that the patients need help with.
Valerie says she likes to make sure her staff stays current with all of that technology. She says intensive like this will help nurses keep up with the growing demand for this type of skilled aid.
Well, we know that there is a huge need for home care. The need gets bigger and bigger every day. We do get referrals from rehab facilities, from doctors' offices, wound care centers, and of course the local hospitals.
The fair covers topics like chest tube draining, blood work care, and many others. She says these are all things that keep nurses ready for any situation.
We do wound care. We do a lot of wound care. And then education materials. Lately, we've been doing a lot with emergency preparedness because of the hurricanes that have been potential to come to this area. So we want to make sure that our staff is prepared so that way we can make sure that our patients are prepared as well.
I decided to ask if Valerie could put me to the test to see if I could demonstrate one of the healthcare procedures taught today.
All right, guys, I'm here at the fair right now for Peninsula Home Care, and I also have Valerie with me today, and she's going to tell me how to do this fit test. So Valerie, can you tell me a little bit about the test?
Sure. We do a fit test with all of our employees every year. Basically, you put this mask on. We do go into patients' homes sometimes that have an airborne illness, and we don't want to contract that illness ourselves.
Right.
So we have to make sure that we are putting our mask on appropriately so that we don't breathe in those particles. So once you have that on, we're just going to put this hood over.
Okay.
Okay, put the hood over you. And then we do have a sugar solution that we just kind of do a couple of sprays. All right, and then you can tell me, do you taste sugar?
No.
Okay, then that means that you did put your mask on correctly.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and take that off.
Oh, wow. So basically, if you sprayed it and you can taste it, you didn't put it on right.
Correct.
Okay, awesome. Yes. So, all right, guys, this is one of the things that you would be learning if you were to come to the Peninsula Home Care Skills Fair. If you want more information, make sure to go to delmarvalife.com.
The staff at Peninsula Home Care says that they're always looking for new members to join their team. As Sydney said, make sure you check out our website to learn more.